let's look at our answers. Here we have sodium, and we find sodium on the periodic table. Here it is. The previous noble gas is neon, so that's going to take care of 10 electrons. And then our last electron, our 11th electron, is in the third energy level, S1, 3s1. So if you got this, you got it right. Now let's look at the next one, indium. Here's indium right here, atomic number 49. The previous noble gas is krypton. That's going to take care of the first 36 electrons. After krypton, we go down here. This is our fifth energy level, 5s2. Now we're at the D block, and remember the D is one less in terms of its energy level than the period it's in. So this is going to be 4d10, and this is our P block, so we're going to go back to 5p1. So if you got this right, give yourself a big pat on the back. Now let's look at neodymium. This one's a tough one. Here's neodymium. Okay, now neodymium is actually in the sixth energy level. Okay, so here's our sixth period. We look up. I said sixth energy level. It's really the sixth period. It's 4F, sixth period. So let's look above here. Our noble gas is going to be xenon. That's going to take care of the first 54. So that is going to be xenon, then 6s2, and then let's look down here for F1, 2, 3, 4. So there's neodymium. Now the F block is a little confusing. For a quiz or an exam, I'm not going to have you go down to the F block, but just know that it is there. And if you go on to 151, then you'll definitely have to use it. And then finally, let's look at bromine. Here's bromine right here. We look up one period above. Argon is going to take care of the first 18 electrons. And then here we are in our fourth period. So 4s2, 3d10, 4p1, 4p2, 4p3, 4p5. Oh gosh, I can't count. 4p1, 4p2, 4p3, 4p4, 4p5. So here's our noble gas that takes up the first 18 electrons. Then as we go across the period, 4s2, 3d10, and 4p5. And again, notice that our D's are always one energy level less than the S and the P, which are on the same period. 4s2, 4p5, and then 3d10. So if you got all these right, you are doing great.